CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a technology and a process that businesses use to manage and analyze their interactions with customers and potential customers throughout the entire life cycle. The primary goal of our CRM module is to improve and strengthen customer relationships, ultimately driving sales growth and customer retention. In this video, we'll focus on harnessing the power of mass push notifications with messages or surveys. First, let's open the CRM module. Then, click on the SmartPanics button located in the upper right corner. You'll find a list of all active SmartPanics devices. From here, you can choose to select one, several, or even all of them. If needed, you can also filter by different criteria. It is possible to send a message to selected devices, those marked with a check mark, or to send a message to a list. If you apply filters and see a specific list of applications, you can directly send a message to the entire list of visible apps. You can configure a subject, a sound, and a message in rich text or HTML format. Users will receive this message, and they can open it by clicking on it in the Notifications menu or within the app in the My Messages section. This feature can be used for notifications like promotions, updates, new services, weather alerts, holiday greetings, safety tips, bill due date reminders, and more. The advantage of this type of notification is that it has a much higher open rate compared to emails, which can be deleted without being opened or end up in a spam folder. In comparison to text messages, which incur costs and require an SMS modem with a SIM card, often leading to bottlenecks, blockages, or spam filters, push notifications come with no additional costs or problems. Additionally, you can create surveys with multiple choice or yes/no questions. Once they are created, you can send them via push. This is especially useful for collecting customer satisfaction levels after an installation, a technical visit, or even after receiving a phone call from an operator. The responses from each survey can be analyzed by checking the statistics within the survey section. For more information, please watch our CRM tutorial.